I'm going to try out this primer today. I got to roll on my fenders because in my garage there's not much ventilation. So what I have here is this Proform high build primer, and then you activate it with the activator. It's a 4-to-1 ratio mix. I got my measured out cups here, my stir stick, and I got my roller. Alright, so I got my 4 ratio of the primer, and I got my 1 ratio of activator. This is the first time I've done this, so I'm just going to pour that in there. Then we're going to give it a good mix, and I'll start rolling. And yeah, I'm really happy with that. Easy. No overspray. And the reason why I use this foam roller, because the soft ones tend to leave more markings. Yeah, so it's all done. Just taking the tape and paper off now. And that's a roll-on primer.